Dudu TV.
Hello kids! Today let's learn about the traffic signboards in India. Are you ready? Cautionary signs or warning signs. Right hand curve indicates that there is a curve ahead on the right direction, so the vehicle's speed should be reduced. Left hand curve. This sign indicates that there is a curve ahead on the left hand direction, so the vehicle's speed should be reduced. Narrow road ahead. This sign indicates that the road gets narrower to pass ahead. Road widens ahead. This sign indicates that the road gets wider ahead. Right hairpin bend. This sign indicates that there is a considerable turn ahead on the right hand side. Left hairpin bend. This sign indicates that there is a considerable turn ahead on the left hand side. Narrow bridge. This sign indicates that there is a bridge ahead with a narrower width. School ahead. This sign indicates to reduce the speed of the vehicle as there is a school ahead. Cross road. This sign indicates that there is a crossing ahead with large volume of vehicles with restricted sight distance. Roundabout. This sign indicates that there is a roundabout or a circle ahead. Breaker ahead. This sign indicates to reduce the speed of the vehicle as there is a bump ahead on the road. Informatory signs. Advanced direction sign. This sign shows that which road goes to which place and the direction of it. Destination signs. This sign informs how far a particular place is from that spot. Place identification sign. This sign shows the name of the place where you are currently at. Eating place. This sign shows that there is an eating place or a food hub or a restaurant 500 meters ahead. Hospital. This sign shows that there is a hospital ahead. Thank you for watching Dudu TV. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Cartoon Dudu TV.